Hey everybody, Pat Muller with Legend Brands. You know, in watching this industry and working in this industry for over 40 years, I really enjoy working for a company like Legend Brands that is continually bringing you new technology, new products, new equipment that make your job much easier. And I think the best part about that is after a couple of months, you see all the other companies out there trying to duplicate that new technology that you just brought to the forefront. And that kind of makes me feel good all over. Now, if you had to have just four products on your truck, these would be the four products that you'd be looking for. These are the ones that are going to make your job that much easier. All right, so first up, we're going to talk a little bit about those traffic lane cleaners, your pre-sprays, if you will. You know, for over 35 years, UltraPack Traffic Clean has been our gold standard for your carpet pre-sprays. Gentle enough to use on your stain-resist nylon, but aggressive enough to use up there in those greasy restaurant situations. Hopefully you don't have to clean a lot of those. But if you take a look at products like Traffic Clean, you've probably tried something else out there on the market that was a new product that somebody else had brought out, but I'd be willing to bet you $1 to a donut you went back to Traffic Clean because it's that good. Next up, we want to talk a little bit about your acid rinses. Some confusion in this industry about rinses. We have alkaline rinses, we have acid rinses, and then we've got the cleaners that just want to use water after they do their pre-spray. But I'm going to tell you right now, if you're looking for brighter colors and a softer feel, and an acid rinse that doesn't make your nose burn when you're out there cleaning, then you need to try the all-fiber rinse powder. Its unique fragrance has kind of a clean, linen, fresh odor to it. We're getting a lot of comments from cleaners about how they love the odor of this. Not only that, their customers love it. So if you take a look at it, one of the best features about the all-fiber rinse powder is it is freer rinsing than just water. Water, even in and by itself, is going to leave a residue on your carpet. So if you're looking for a fresh odor, if you're looking for bright colors and a very soft feel to your carpet, then finish your carpets using all-fiber rinse powder. You won't beat the technology. Next up, we want to talk about UltraPack Extreme, what I like to call nuclear technology. Now, if you've tried the enzymes in the past and you've tried boosting some of your chemicals with this and some of your chemicals with that, I'm going to tell you right now, UltraPack Extreme is going to be a standalone go-to product. As a matter of fact, it's one of those products that I'm going to ask you not to boost with anything because you're actually going to take away some of the cleaning power that this product has. With a high pH of 11.5 and nanotechnology. Nanotechnology, if I was to break it down for you a little bit, think of it as oil-seeking missiles, if you will, that are so small, they go down and they break those particles into such small particles they become water-soluble. Now, this product is going to be for your really nasty restaurants. This is going to be for your commercial, your olefin carpets that are laden with oils, especially those oxidized oils. The nanotechnology and the high pH of UltraPack Extreme, hands down, is going to take away any other pre-sprays that you use for your really, really bad carpets. Next up, I want to talk about a product that has revolutionized the industry when it comes to controlling urine odors. Undoes It Unleashed. Did you know 68% of the homes in America have some sort of pet residing within those walls? And for us as cleaners, that's just guaranteed income. So in the past, when it came to dealing with urine odors, we had numerous different processes that have been tried, everything from the enzymes to the multiple product applications. With Undoes It Unleashed, we've been able to refine this down to one product, one application, and 1 hour's worth of dwell time. Now, everybody kind of gets upset about that 1 hour dwell time, but you got to stop and think about it. If you go out and treat all of your urine spots before you even set up your truck or take your equipment in there, by the time you're done doing your pre-spray, you're ready to continue on with your cleaning. The reason it takes an hour's worth of dwell time is we need to let the product actually do its work. We've talked in the past about wicking problems with the old technology of using enzymes and multiple products and deodorizers, and we always get that wick back problem. But what we want to do is remove all the organic material, all the nitrogen-rich material that the bacteria are feeding on, which in turn causes that urine odor. If we eliminate the food source, then the bacteria can no longer create that ammonia gas we call urine odor. That's what takes the hour's worth of dwell time. Don't rush it. Let it do its work. Like I said before, pre-treat your spots before you do your cleaning. Go in, do your cleaning, go back, solve the problems with the urine, collect the money. So if you needed to have just 4 products on your vehicle that will solve 99% of your problems, these are my 4 top picks.